Hello, this is Todd Berner with the Bras Company. Today's presentation is going to be on a product called DataWorx from Iconix. Iconix is a world leader in industrial automation software solutions, providing solutions to help you monitor, control, and realize the value of your operations. Iconix is a gold partner, and thus all of our products are certified to run on Windows XP Professional, 64-bit, Windows 2003 Server, Windows 2003 Server 64-bit, Windows Vista, Windows 2008 Server, and the new release of Windows 7 will be supported as well. DataWorx32 is a product that can be utilized as part of an Iconix solution overall, or as a standalone product to enhance your existing automation systems. DataWorx32 provides OPC tunneling, so you can provide OPC communications over the internet or internet, internet being your facility and internet being outside your facility. And it allows connectivity of any OPC compliant products. It allows you to do data bridging, which will allow you to bridge multiple OPC servers. An example of this, I can tell you, I recently had a client that was utilizing a product that was supposed to be able to handle OPC clients, but for some reason would only work with its own OPC server. And after many days, weeks, with the vendor, my client actually decided to utilize DataWorx for a small investment and just go ahead and bridge their existing OPC server that they were trying to communicate to into this product and provide the functionality they needed. So that's one way that you could utilize BridgeWorks. It provides data aggregation and allows you to do OPC data request, optimizing and consolidating multiple requests so you don't have many clients at one time trying to talk to many different OPC servers. You can aggregate all those OPC servers through DataWorx and have clients only talking to one OPC server at a time. It makes your application more efficient. We also provide redundancy, data redundancy, and full redundancy for all Iconix applications utilizing DataWorx. And we also provide global variables to other applications, as global variables are included in all Iconix applications. So with OPC tunneling, based on transparent open industry standards, Iconix will work with any OPC server or any OPC client, and it will provide data access between clients and servers, supporting data access 3.0, OPC alarm and event 1.1, HDA 1.2, replaces DCOM communications. So if you're one of those people who are using a product that has a lot of trouble utilizing OPC with DCOM, and you know who you are, this is a great product for you. It'll make your application much easier and make your installation happen a lot quicker. Supports standard OPC browser interfaces and provides auto discovery for remote OPC servers. Here's just a snapshot of a DataWorx configurator, and you can see you've got an Allen Bradley data bridge to a Modbus data bridge, and these two PLCs are able to be communicating to each other real time via DataWorx. Here's a example of OPC data aggregation. Here you've got AlarmWorks32, Genesis 32, two different stations, a GraphWorks application, all separate OPC clients. Rather than having 4 separate connections to multiple OPC servers, they all connect to DataWorx32, which then aggregates from your multiple OPC servers. It makes it much more efficient. Less connections, less data traveling. It's a good solution. Here's an example of OPC DA redundancy. It's easy to configure redundancy with DataWorx. Not limited necessarily to Iconics solutions, but this is what Iconix utilizes to provide 100% or 99.999% uptime SCADA solutions. And unlimited number of server connections, auto-synchronize alarms and trends, time synchronization across all nodes, seamless client transfer between redundant pairs, auto-fail between primary and secondary server, interactive user interface, instant notification of change in state, standard OPC browsing of server status, store and forward capability built in, and up to date with the most current OPC standards. So you can see as you toggle, you switch automatically between your primary and secondary server. This allows you to use 2 off-the-shelf servers and provide redundancy. OPC HDA redundancy for data logging to SQL or Oracle, for example, or any other third-party ODBC database product. Easy to configure, synchronize all historical data, seamless redundant pairs, store and forward capability as mentioned before, and synchronization to the PC clock. So you can automatically switch your data logging and it will handle the updates. OPC alarm and event server and logger redundancy. Once again, easy to configure, seamless redundant pair transfer, automatically switch between primary and secondary, and synchronize all historical alarms, synchronize alarm management and acknowledgement, and once again synchronize PC clock. Also has support for global variables, so if you want to create a list of global variables that are accessible and connected to OPC points throughout your application, you can do that with DataWorx, and then use that with any OPC client. We also have redundancy support for Marathon software, which is a VM environment for 5.9 redundancy. We also provide our products supported on status, 199.999% uptime servers, as well as NEC servers. So those solutions can be utilized with Iconix as well. But with DataWorx, you can provide redundancy to any of your applications using off-the-shelf hardware. I want to thank you for joining this presentation. You can contact us at 1-800-AUTOMATE. We have Ross Company has representatives in Iowa, Nebraska, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, North Dakota, South Dakota, Florida, and Mexico. And if you would like to give us a call at 1-800-AUTOMATE, or you can ask for me personally, Todd Berner, or email me at todd.berner@brosco.com. We would be glad to help you to come up with a solution for your applications in the most cost-effective and efficient way. Thanks again, and have a great day.